This is how you really feel, Tom?
So this is the different stages of the bike.
For the stage, okay,
This,
okay.
This.
How are you feeling this morning? How are you feeling?
Just ready to get it over with.
You'll be good.
There you go. Come on, right into it, man. Come on. Got a minute. 1 minute, Justin. Come on. Come on. Come on, Justin. One more. Come on. One more, man. Got 1 minute, Justin. Come on. Come on! Attaboy!
What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We are here in Derby at the Crossfit Eclectic 2nd Annual Winter Burn competition. I just got done with what you just saw, that squat clean ladder. Oh my gosh, it's horrible. It's horrible. I did better than my practice, although I could have done even better. There were 2 lifts that I missed, which y'all saw. So fail. But still got the 225. It's still 10 pounds less than my 1 rep max, so that's a lot to have to do all of that in succession. But I'm happy with how it went. And the next event isn't for another 3 hours, at least for my heat. So I've got time to relax and recover. So, yeah. Keep you guys posted for what happens next. Peace. Tom is wrapping my arm right now.
I'm about to amputate his arm.
He's gonna amputate my arm. Yeah. So viewer discretion advised. Children, please look away.
He's about to be very vascular. He's a vascular man.
Very, very.
Look at that thing popping.
There it goes.
Awesome.
Ah!
Oh my God.
All right.
What? You wanted it.
I know. We're good.
Like, I can't do it anymore. Yeah. It went. Wait.
Just got done. Got 13th out of 14. I'm happy with it. It's not last. It's my first competition. Did everything RX, so I feel great. Alright, y'all. I know it's dark and you can barely see me, but we'll do this. So anyway, I am completely and utterly woe out. Not worn out, woe out. Like I just, yo, it's horrible. Horrible. Like I just, today, like for those who do CrossFit who know the struggle of like doing a full competition, child, I is tired. I'm tired. So tired. And not only that, but like, I'm exhausted. Like, the muscle fatigue I am feeling right now. Oh my gosh. Well, like I said earlier, we got 13th place. I'm just happy I was able to do the work of the workouts, in all honesty. Because some of the stuff I was skeptical that I didn't even think I was going to be able to do it. I thought, like, this may or may not happen. This may or may not happen. And by the grace of God, it happened. So, that's good. Also, I am happy that, what am I happy about? I don't even know what I'm happy about. I'm just too tired to even talk. I'm gonna do an actual recap of this later, okay? All right, bye. So it's been about, what's today? Today is Wednesday, so it's been a few days since the competition. I just have been tired and did not want to film a recap, but, yes, so 13th place is what I got. I have the 14 people doing RX. There were, I think, 7 guys in the Masters division and about 20 or so in the scale division. So overall, if you really think about it, I got 13th, but not out of like 14, out of like 50 or so people, which I feel is not so bad for it being my first competition and everything. Yeah. I think what's cool about watching back, especially on the first 2, I didn't film the last one just because I felt like I had enough footage and I didn't really think about it, I didn't care to really shoot the last one. But one of the things that I like about watching myself back is that I can look at my form and see what was working and what wasn't working. And so on those squat cleans, I wasn't reaching high enough on my legs for the hip thrust, hip pop to really send the bar up higher. So that's something we can work on and hopefully lift heavier as we do that. But for it being my first individual competition, I am pretty happy with how I did, especially at my weight and being new to CrossFit, relatively speaking. I've only been doing it for 2 years, but I don't really take it as competitively as other people do. I do it more just so I can look good and get stronger, but not like to the degree that some other people do it, because there are some guys at our gym and people at our gym that do it a lot more intense than what I do, which is fine, this is kind of like the first video of CrossFit working out things. I may post more, I'm not sure. I also possibly will, the next 3.5 weeks, I really need to focus on this audition. So I may or may not be posting at all. I'll try to post, but if I don't have the time, I'm not gonna force myself to do it because I really, really need to take time and focus on this next thing that's coming up very soon. I have less than 4 weeks and I really want to do well because this is a very big kind of deal. So, with all that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And I will see you guys at the next one. Before we head out though, like usual, if you have any questions about CrossFit or working out or anything dreadlock related, or if you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below, okay? If you want to follow me on any other type of social media, just in case I'm not posting videos on YouTube for the next little bit of time, follow me there, my Instagram or my Snapchat, and you can stay updated with my day-to-day life or whatever like that. And then of course, subscribe, click the button, follow me, join the family, do all of the things, okay? So that's it. There's gonna be a video right there, another playlist right there, subscribe icon right there. So click those things and I will see you guys next time. Not sure when that is, but hopefully it'll be soon, okay? Until next time, peace and keep it locked.